Hey guys, hope you're doing well today, right? So basically, I'm going to talk about the logical operators. So logical operators are used in coding and scripting to perform logical operations on Boolean values. So hopefully you remember Boolean values. Those are in data types true and false, right? So true and false. So you can see in front of your screen, there is a logical operator that is and, or, and not. So basically, we're going to use and, or, and not. And meaning of and is true if both operator are true, right? So uh, basically it's need to be like x and y, so both operator need to be true, right? So and or is like true if either operands are true, so one of the condition need to be true, x or y, right? So not used that when true if operands and is false, so not x, right? So basically I will show you. I know it's a bit confusing, right? So I will show you, right? So I will start with right, you have to use a column. So I'm gonna guide you through the control and flow, right? And I'm gonna also tell you about the indentation. So right now, just gonna watch it, right? How we're gonna use it. X equal to 5, y equal to 10, and z equal to 15. So now I would like to ask you a question. X is less than y. So x is 5 and y is 10. Of course, x is less than y, right? So another is like y is less than z. So y is 10 and z is 15. Of course, like y is less than z. So what will be our answer? Our answer should be, according to me, both condition are true, right? So it's give us both condition are true. Now I'm gonna guide you through. Another is or, right? Or operator. So what basically or operator is used for? So I'm gonna copy this again just to save our time. All of this. I'm just gonna edit this. I will say or, right? Same condition. I will say or, but what it's gonna do, or is like basically you have seen over here, true if either operands are true. It's need to be whether x or y, one of them need to be true, right? So let's go through this, right? If x is less than y, which is true, or y is less than z, which is true, print at least one condition is true. Else print both conditions are false. So it will print at least one condition is true, right? At least one condition is true. There you go, our answer, right? So if I make some change over here, I will say like, okay, y is greater than z. That is not possible because y is less than z. You can see y equal to 10 and z equal to 15. I will run this, but it will, so again, at least one condition is true. If I say x equal to 50, now we're gonna go, now we're gonna get both condition are false, right? So both condition are false. Now another is not. I will make an algorithm, right? x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. If not, x is greater than y, right? So basically you can say x is not greater than y. Like it's in the opposite way. X is not greater than y. Then print x is less or equal to y. Else print x is greater than y. So what will be our answer? So our answer will be the first one. X is less than not equal to y, because the question says if not x is greater than y, where x is not greater than y, then it will print x is less than or equal to y. Right, guys? Hopefully you enjoy this and hopefully you understand this short video, right? And I'll see you next time, right? Cheers.